Nestled in a peaceful natural setting, these two private and fully self-contained shipping container cottages offer a unique and unforgettable experience for anyone seeking a cozy yet stylish retreat. These two private and fully self-contained cabins are made from a 40-foot and a 20-foot high cube shipping container that have been cleverly joined together to create a spacious 408 square feet of living space. The containers sit on a steel pier foundation to protect against moisture. A big lean-to roof covers the two containers and the outdoor space between them, transforming it into a huge outdoor deck overlooking the lush property. The interior of each cottage has been thoughtfully designed to make the most of every inch of space. Large double sliding glass doors flood the space with natural light and provide access to the outdoor deck, seamlessly integrating the indoor and the outdoor spaces. From the entrance, a round-shaped glass dining table that can seat four creates an intimate and cozy dining area perfect for enjoying meals with loved ones. The open-plan kitchen is fully equipped with apartment-sized appliances, quartz countertops, and plenty of storage space. The living space is cozy and comfortable, featuring a beautiful couch and a 42-inch flat-screen TV with digital channels. A large glass window floods the living area with natural light and provides stunning views of the surrounding forest and fields. Of the living area is the master bedroom, which features a sleeping area with a queen-sized bed made from sustainably sourced timber with beautiful bamboo linen. A large window on the side of the bed offers beautiful forest views and lets you fall asleep and wake up to nature's beauty. The master bathroom is fitted with a shower cubicle with a rainfall shower head, a modern wash and basin, a toilet, and storage cabinets. The big glass doors in the bedroom can open wide to allow cool breezes through the bedroom space, enhancing the indoor thermal comfort. The cottages are super insulated and come with reverse cycle air conditioning with ceiling fans to ensure comfortable temperatures throughout the year. The interior walls are painted in light colors to make the spaces look bigger and brighter, creating that illusion of large indoor spaces. On the exterior, the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout and bring out the industrial language of the design. Each cottage is painted in a darker shade to allow it blend seamlessly to this serene, lush green landscape. Which part of these amazing container cottages appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.